In this preview, we share only two parts, conclusion part 1 and transit effect of Sun for the whole month. These are the two parts we extracted from the premium content. Premium content does have 10 parts, like a transit effect of Sun for the whole month, which represent your legal status and authorities' behavior toward you. Transit effect of Mercury for the whole month for money, flow of income, flow of information, business, career, job, profession. Transit effect of Mars for the whole month that defines your courage and confidence and the family relationship. Transit effect of Venus for the whole month that represents your success, love life, romantic life, success in interview, presentation, exams. Conclusion part 1, 2 and 3 and the tasks required for the whole month. What astrological tasks you can do for the whole month for balance your equation. Precautions mean what you shouldn't do to save your skin. And spiritual chanting. You can activate the spiritual power. You can achieve the best. And you can achieve the blessing through spiritual chanting. These are all contents belong to the premium content. But out of these all contents, in preview we only share two parts. Conclusion part 1 as well as transit effect of Sun for the whole month. But if you like to have the whole content, then what you're waiting for? Kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Take the whole monthly horoscope from the website, monthly forecast from the website, the whole report, the whole premium content. Gemini transit of Mercury in 5th house, 2nd November till 21st November. With the Mercury transit in 5th house, this mostly indicates troubled personal life. During this phase of time, you must try and avoid getting involved in any kind of argument with your partner, family members. This is not a very conducive period for you to be headstrong and highly opinionated while dealing with friends as well as family members. You have to be extra careful while handling your loved one. Health could be matter of concern at this particular point of time. Take care of your food intake. You are also likely to suffer from a lot of heat. Do not undertake any activity which would put you risk to yourself. Mentally, you may feel agitated at all the drained out and all the energy can be drained out. This period will also give you some sort of a pain leading to much discomfort. There may be also troubles, difficult circumstances in the work front. If you're a student, you need to be more determined, focused in your studies to avoid any kind of distraction. Mercury position in 5th house. The other facets. It's a good time to expressing your thoughts to yourself, for communicating them to others. In this respect, it is rather like the transit of Mercury through, may I say that, to 5th house, but you can make it very clear to people you stand on any matter and then explain very effectively any issue that is on your mind. You'll also be inclined to use your mind for amusement. So that is for reading, writing, playing games that require mental agility. These activities will be more attractive than usual during this phase of time. Often the idea that come your head now will be they have no special function except that they are fun to play with. Just be careful not to transfer this playful spirit to your communication with others to the extent you play with people's emotion for your own amusement, which you shouldn't do that. And you have to be careful. Sun transit in 6th house. This transit is quite different from immediately the preceding one. Now is the time to examine the problem of how you should manage your life, how you should manage yourself, and what duties, responsibilities that entail. This is a house of work. 6th house is a house of work, of tasks that need to be done, which may necessitate postponing immediate gratification. Your focus should be on efficiency and effectiveness. Strive to make every action as possible, as much to point as possible. In your work, this is a good time to examine and refine your techniques and procedures. but for your mind can work clearly, sharply to discover the best way of doing things. The only problem that you may have to contend with at this time, that you will be probably not on the top of your heap, that is, you'll probably have to work according to someone else's wishes or needs. But because of this, you can find out whether you can lower your ego drive when the situation requires. If you cannot, you're likely to encounter quite a bit of discomfort, conflict at this time. This is a house of service. You cannot spend all your effort getting your way now. Even if you are own boss, your actions will be dictated by someone else's needs, such as clients or customer. Your sense of obligation may be internal. You may have to live up your own high standard, high expectation of self-control. Yes. Gemini, due to Rahu's position in 12th house, beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Beware of any unexpected expenditure. Ketu's position in 6th house. Keep a close eye on your enemies as well as your health. Jupiter, Saturn's position in 8th house. Watch your decisions, watch your health, watch your profession, watch your career, watch your financial backing, watch your source of income, watch your flow of income. Moon, Mercury position in 4th house. Sometimes clarity of understanding is not there, sometimes confusion is too much there. Sun, Mars position in 5th house. Beware of any aggressive movement, aggressive action. Look after your health regarding chest and tummy. Venus position 7th house. There will be a new attention, especially if you're a single person, you'll come across a lot of companionship opportunities, but beware of foul company, beware of bad company, and don't involve yourself with somebody to create a scandal. Beware of any kind of a unnecessary hassles of scandal, please. And in this coming month, may I say that you have to refrain from any kind of a financial losses or unexpected expenditure or restlessness. Gemini, conclusion of the month of November 2021. First thing first, your conclusion part 1. Gemini, in month of November, you will look forward to life with a great deal of zeal, enthusiasm during this phase of time. At the same time, you will be bold and courageous but violent in temper. In this month, this particular period is unfavorable for love and romance. Contemplation may cause losses, hence it must be avoided. Family life will suffer from a lot of health issues. There might be possibility of sudden traveling. Gemini, this will prove to be a very good period. You will be comfortable and to spend a lot of money on luxurious items, but you have to look after your relationship. If you're in a service, there are chances of getting a promotion. There will be also a rise in your income resources. You'll overcoming your enemies. During this phase of time, you have to be careful, as your power of judgment and discrimination may deteriorate in certain cases of decision making. The health of the family member will worry you quite a lot. Speculation should be avoided. Some expenditures likely to be incurred on affairs that are outside of your control. Friends, associates may disappoint you. Journey will be tiring. You might need a completed monthly horoscope report. You might. For that, you must visit my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole month. That will define your sun's transit effect for the whole month. That define your authority's behavior toward you. Mars transit effect for the whole month. Your courage and confidence status for the whole month. Mercury's transit effect for the whole month. Your flow of income, your flow of career, your flow of information. Venus transit effect for the whole month. Your love life, your comfort. And the extensive monthly horoscope report also defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in the next whole month to save your skin, what sacred chanting you can do for this particular month to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.